Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. Running a successful business sometimes means doing things that you would not necessarily do yourself. So that's basically the topic of today's video. Today's video is new bracelets for the Casio Duro. And what goes against my little inner being, my inner monologue, is that the Duro is, I'm sure you know what it is. It's a quartz dive watch by Casio. Sells for around 50 to 60 bucks. I used to sell it when I sold Casio. But the bracelet for it cost basically as much as the watch. And I think, like, in my engineering brain, I'm like, well, that doesn't make much sense. Why would you buy a watch for 50 or 60 and then get the bracelet as well for 59 bucks? But people have told me, Mark, if you made bezels, if you made crystals, we'd buy all that. We love souping these things up. So I'm here to tell you I have delivered on not what I want, but what you want, and that's what this is all about. We'll check out those bracelets today for my own wrist check. I'm still with Dirk Pitt and Clive Cussler, the Doxa 300T Special Edition. Honeymoon continues. Wore it all Memorial Day weekend. I absolutely love it. On the other wrist, there's a reason I'm wearing this one. This is the Islander Northport. The Northports will all come back into stock within the next 1 to 2 weeks. So there will be no Islander new releases coming out next couple of weeks. We're going to be looking at Northports. The seafoam, the blue, the black to purple, the turquoise, and even the black itself will make a reappearance. And also, you definitely have to check out our FKM rubber straps to really soup it up. You know, white, summer's coming, let's get to the beach, it's gonna be awesome, but the sky blue on the blue guy, I love it. Let's see the Duro bracelets. So I'm not really here to talk about the Duro or to review the Duro. There's countless videos on YouTube for that. I'm here to review the accessory that we are now making for it. So I went out and I purchased, for the video, 2 Casio Duro watches. You can see, so they are, Duro watches traditionally were always part number MDV-106, and then a whole slew of digits after, depending on your color. That was it, depending on your colorway, bezel, dial color, and stuff. So these are both that you're going to see are 106s. They recently, in the USA, have come out with the 107. The 107 is the same watch, it just does not have the marlin on it. I don't know, something with trademark rights or something. It doesn't matter. Just know if you have a Duro, these bracelets will fit. So the Duro, just so you know, it's not in here. It comes on a regular black rubber strap. How Casio makes this watch and retails it for 55, 60 bucks or whatever it might be. I think these two together cost me like $110 on Amazon. So that's totally crazy. How Casio does it, I have no idea. I made 2 bracelets for the Duro, and I bought a traditional black one and a nice blue one. So I made the multi-link type with the polished and the brushed links, the polished center links and the brushed outer links. 5 rows, I guess, and then there's the straight 3-link top brushed polished sides. Quick video. I just want to show you the bracelets. They are part number BRAC-74 and BRAC-75. Solid links, solid end links. You can see there. The links are sized with screws, of course. You have a standard 3-position micro adjust scissor clasp. You will notice at the end link, I definitely chose to go with the negative or the female end link, so it articulates at the case. So it makes the watch much smaller, because it's not a small watch. What's the Duro? I think it's like a 44 or something. So this definitely makes it a lot more comfortable to wear, so no big male end links sticking out. So this is, so like I said, so it fits all the Duros, whether you have the blue dial, the black dial, the 106, the 107, and Pepsi, green. There's all different ones. And then we have this bracelet. Same thing. We include, it's got solid links, solid end links again, same clasp, same everything. See, it's got the marlin on the back. You get, if you buy it, you get the bracelet, and we include a set of spring bars already in it, and then we actually also include an extra set of spring bars for free. Probably because, well, I know why we include them, but we found when test fitting on various cases that at times we need to use a slightly thinner spring bar, and probably because it's such a mass-produced watch that the variation tolerances, because it's solid end link, it's much less forgiving. In the case is the tolerances build up a bit, so I include an extra set of thinner spring bars in case it doesn't fit out of the package. You just swap the spring bars out and you'll have enough play and you can put it in. And just for your own edification, I believe on this one I used the thinner bars, and you can see that end link is locked. It is not jiggling at all. And then on this one, I used the bars that came with it. It's basically 1.8 millimeter bars or 1.5 millimeter bars. But you'll figure it out when you get it. $59, your choice. Get two, get one for a friend. This has been Mark from LongOnWatch.com showing you the new Casio Duro bracelet. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to that channel, or this channel. Not that channel, this channel, if you have not done so. Questions, comments, concerns, queries, anything else, put it down below, and I will be sure to address it as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.